I remember the domestic helper. Kasi sabi nila, oh baka kasi pang mayaman lang yan, Julie. I'll tell you a story of a maid of a friend of mine who started to invest 1,000 a month or
Mm-mm.
500 pesos a month.
Mm.
That was 10 years ago, Pinasave niya yon kasi meron siyang anak na 4 and widow siya that time.
Mm.
So sabi niya, Julie, maliliit pang anak ko. So I wanted to save for my children so that by that time, I have some funds for their education. So try po natin. So let's start with the 500 and then a 1,000 every month.
Mm.
And then I asked her to bought a policy that will save para hindi niya makuha at maitabi niya ng matagal. This is
Oh.
the real story of Teresa.
Mm.
And 10 years after, when she really need that policy, she said na meron na akong panganay na ipapaaralin ko ng college. I don't have much fund. Maybe I can get that policy and I can withdraw.
Mm.
During that time, nakapag-withdraw siya ng 300,000.